Okay, to all my ladies that are watching, I love my free sample by Natasha Moore. So mine is this one, and the color is Manifest. So this one you press down, you press up here, and then it's going to drop down. Look at this beautiful shade. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Look how it looks. It's literally like a rose color, and it has a matte finish. This is so beautiful, and Natasha Moore is so creative. She put a mirror here, so if you have it in your purse, all you have to do is just do this, and you can put it on perfectly. I like the package. I like this that you can press down, and it's so beautiful. You can put it obviously in your purse. I am obsessed with my lipstick. I just love it. I love the color. Look how it looks. It's so pretty. They have different colors. They are all super nice. So me personally, I want to have the whole collection. Thank you for watching.